Use the quick selection tool to select the background of the teapot. Then tap Add a Mask. Change the name of the layer and switch to a teacup. I've already selected this one, so I'll just tap Add a Mask. Now I'll tap the mask to open the mask properties and adjust the feather. Sometimes adjusting the shift edge helps as well. Click OK, and then drag your layer onto the teapot document. When you drop it, it'll be the top layer, so slide it down under the mask. Then move it into position and change its size if you want. Now tap the flower document. I've already used the quick selection tool here, so tap Add a Mask, tap the mask to open the mask properties, and adjust the feather. The feather softens the edge so that things will blend when you're back in the collage. Okay, say OK, drag the layer, drop it onto the teapot document, and position it behind the teapot mask. You can continue to do this with the other objects to complete your teapot collage.